Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. MJPAUTO here, and today we're diving into a super practical and powerful three-wheeled ride, the 2025 3SCORE folding electric fat tire trike. Whether you're cruising the city streets, running errands, or looking for a reliable mobility solution with a bold style, this trike might just be your perfect match. The exterior of the 2025 3SCORE trike is built for function and toughness. With its rugged fat tires and a strong aluminum alloy frame, it stands out immediately as a capable and durable ride. The 20-inch wheels with 4-inch wide tires not only give it a muscular stance but are also ideal for handling rough roads, grass, sand, and even snow. The trike is available in several bold colors and features front and rear fenders, a large rear cargo basket, and a compact foldable design, making it easy to store in tight spaces or carry in larger vehicles. Moving to the interior, the trike doesn't have a conventional cabin like a car, but what it offers for the rider is a comfortable and well thought out cockpit. The padded saddle-style seat with backrest ensures you stay comfortable on long rides. There's also an intuitive LED control panel mounted on the handlebars where you can control pedal assist levels, monitor battery status, and track speed and distance. The handle grips are ergonomic, and the wide stance of the handlebars gives excellent control and balance. When it comes to performance, the 2025 3SCORE trike is impressive for its class. It is powered by a 750-watt brushless motor paired with a 48V 17.5Ah lithium-ion battery, giving it a top speed of around 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 45 miles on pedal assist. The 7-speed Shimano drivetrain ensures smooth shifting and great adaptability for different terrains. The electric assist kicks in seamlessly and makes hill climbing or hauling cargo much easier and more efficient than traditional pedaling. In terms of safety, the trike includes several thoughtful features. Front and rear disc brakes provide strong and reliable stopping power, even when the basket is loaded. The wide tire base ensures stability and reduces the risk of tipping. Integrated lights at the front and rear enhance visibility in low light conditions, and reflectors are well placed for added safety during nighttime riding. The rear view mirrors and horn further enhance the rider's awareness and communication on the road. Now let's talk about the unique selling points. The standout feature is clearly the folding frame, making this trike one of the most versatile in the market. Unlike bulky three-wheelers, you can fold it and take it with you in an SUV or store it in a compact area. The large rear cargo basket with waterproof storage makes it incredibly practical for shopping, deliveries, or just carrying your backpack and gear. Also, the fat tires make it an all-terrain beast, rare for electric trikes in this segment. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 3SCORE folding electric fat tire trike is competitively priced around $2,800, which is excellent value considering the power, range, utility, and foldable convenience it brings. There may be variations based on accessories or shipping, but overall, it's a solid investment for daily commuting, errands, or leisurely rides. To wrap it all up, the 2025 3SCORE folding electric fat tire trike is a perfect blend of power, practicality, and portability. It breaks the mold with its folding design, offers all-terrain capability, and provides safety and comfort with zero emissions. If you're in the market for an electric trike that works just as hard as you do, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MJPAUTO for more futuristic vehicle reviews. See you in the next video.